Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a tutorial of the show I made about this poster design in Canva. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe. So let's open up a blank poster design in Canva. The next thing we have to do is just first of all change this background to black or whatever the color you want to use. So let's insert this chessboard background floor of pink color, and we're gonna remove the BG background, and for this we're gonna insert our text after inserting a chess piece. Then we're gonna insert our half text and give it the brick sans font, which is premium. Let's insert its size, and we're gonna give it effect of glow, send it to the back, duplicate it, and we're gonna just change our text and send it to the back as well. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just add some blossom, and we're gonna increase its size, rotate it, and remove its background, send it to the back. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe. If you want this poster design, you can buy it from my Patreon link in the description below.